This is the Fiber Optic Numerical Aperture Interactive Calculator, which solves critical optical fiber parameters for telecommunications and photonics applications. The calculator has a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: calculate numerical aperture, calculate acceptance angle, calculate cladding index from NA, calculate required core index, calculate V number, and calculate number of modes. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Numerical Aperture mode. The input fields are Core Refractive Index N1, Cladding Refractive Index N2, External Medium Index N0, Numerical Aperture NA, Wavelength lambda in nanometers, and Core Radius A in micrometers. Let's work through an example. I'll enter Core Refractive Index of 1.465, Cladding Refractive Index of 1.450, External Medium Index of 1000, Wavelength of 1550 nanometers, and Core Radius of 25 micrometers. After clicking Calculate, the results show numerical aperture equals 0.2091, acceptance angle half equals 12.07 degrees, full acceptance cone equals 24.14 degrees, and relative index difference equals 1.024%. These values tell us the fiber's light gathering capability, the maximum incident angle for propagation, the total acceptance cone angle, and the refractive index contrast between core and cladding. This tool streamlines fiber optic system design calculations. Find the link in the description below.